This is Canon 200D Mark II or Rebel SL3 depending on where you live. In this video we are going to unbox it and take an overview of the contents of the box. To get the price out of the way, this has cost me 45,000 rupees. As this is a single lens variant, the box is pretty small. First thing you get inside the box is a user guide and a warranty card. And this is a Canon branded camera strap which I'm never going to use anyways. This is the battery charger, just standard stuff. Then the cable for plugging the charger and a Canon LP series battery. You get a 16GB SD card as well in the box. Now the main two components of the camera, that is its body and the stock lens. You get the standard 18-55 STM lens. As you can see, it is heavily protected. I'm already liking the feel of it. As this is a crop sensor camera, you get EFS mount for lenses, but this body is compatible with EF mount lenses as well, which are used for full frame Canon cameras. Let's put that lens aside and have a look at the body itself. I have been waiting to buy this camera for past 6 months. Flipkart Big Billion Days made it possible to buy it at even lesser price. I was knowing that the body of this DSLR is one of the smallest, but gee, it feels compact. I was confused between the 200D and Canon M50, which is a mirrorless camera in the same price bracket. But as mirrorless cameras have a battery issue, so I went with the 200D. This camera feels so good in the hand and so much lighter it is. The deeper groove makes it even better to grip. Yep, it has a 3-inch LCD touchscreen which can be rotated. It is going to be so handy to shoot myself. There is a manual flash on the top, which is also I'm never going to use. As you can see, the buttons look so well built, tactile and well placed. On the side you have a HDMI port, a micro USB port. On the other side you get a mic input and a intervalometer input. Let's put in the memory card and battery and boot it up. First impression of this camera is I'm already loving the compactness and overall feel. I'm going to review this camera in detail in upcoming videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then make sure to subscribe and like this video. Stay tuned for more such videos. Peace out.